Find a comfortable seat, either on the floor, the bed, the ground, or a chair. Or you may choose to lie down on your back. Any of these positions are fine. And then allow the eyes to gently close. And we'll begin with 3 deep breaths in and out of the nose. So when you're ready, inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And let's take a moment to explore the concept of gratitude. Take a moment to think of 3 things you are grateful for. It can be a person in your life, an activity that brings you joy, or a trait about yourself or others. It can be anything. And now take a moment to think about why you place these things on your gratitude list. What was the reason you chose each one of these things? And now we'll focus on this statement. If you only had the things you were grateful for yesterday, what would you have today? Take a moment to think about that. And now with that statement in mind, what are 3 more things that you could add to your previous gratitude list? And now take a moment to think about why you chose each one of these 3 things. Now that you have formed your gratitude list for today, let it be a guide for the rest of the day to be grateful in everything that you do and to everyone around you. We'll end this meditation with 3 deep breaths in and out of the nose. So when you're ready, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. You can allow the eyes to gently open. Thank you for listening to this meditation. Namaste.